How much further must we heft this baggage? Any cell will do? Why not toss him in with this lot? They could use the meat. Them? What about us? My belly aches, and his flesh is seared just the way I like it. Quiet! You two whimper like grunts fresh off the teat. He's not meant for the jails. The hierarchs have something special in mind. Noble prophets of truth and mercy, I have brought the incompetent.
You may leave, Tartarus.
But I thought...
And take your brutes with you.
Release the prisoner.
The council decided to have you hung by your entrails and your corpse paraded through the city. But ultimately, the terms of your execution are up to me.
I am already dead.
Indeed. Do you know where we are?
The mausoleum of the Arbiter.
Quite so. Here rests the vanguard of the great journey. Every Arbiter from first to last. Each one created and consumed in times of extraordinary crisis.
The taming of the Hunters, the Grunt Rebellion. Were it not for the Arbiters, the Covenant would have broken long ago.
Even on my knees, I do not belong in their presence.
Halo's destruction was your error, and you rightly bear the blame. But the Council was overzealous. We know you are no heretic. This is the true face of heresy, one who would subvert our faith and incite rebellion against the High Council.
Our prophets are false. Open your eyes, my brothers. They would use the faith of our forefathers to bring ruin to us all. The great journey is a...
This heretic, and those who follow him, must be silenced.
Their slander offends all who walk the path.
What use have I? I can no longer command ships, lead troops into battle.
Not as you are, no, but become the Arbiter. And you shall be set loose against this heresy with our blessing.
What of the Council?
The tasks you must undertake as the Arbiter are perilous, suicidal. You will die, as each Arbiter has before you. The Council will have their corpse.
What would you have your Arbiter do?
When we joined the Covenant, we took an oath.
According to our station, all without exception.
On the blood of our fathers, on the blood of our sons, we swore to uphold the Covenant.
Even to our dying breath.
Those who would break this oath are heretics, worthy of neither pity nor mercy. Even now, they use our Lord's creations to broadcast their lies.
We shall grind them into dust.
And continue our march to glorious salvation. This armor suits you, but it cannot hide that mark.
Nothing ever will. You are the Arbiter.
The will of the prophets. But these are my elites. Their lives matter to me, yours does not.
That makes two of us. There is no doubt the strong strike the facility.
We'll be long gone before it arrives. Warriors, prepare for combat! We are the arm of the prophets, Arbiter, and you are the blade. Be silent and swift, and we shall quell this heresy without incident. The storm has masked our approach, and it should have their local battle net in disarray. We have the element of surprise, for now.
Engage active camouflage. Reveal yourselves only after the Arbiter has joined battle with the enemy.
You may wish to do the same, Arbiter. But take heed. Your armor system is not as new as ours. Your camouflage will not last forever.
But not escape.
I am coming. Impressive aim. Cleansing flame. It's in cover. Sentinels, the holy warriors of the sacred rings. Why have they sided with these heretics? So I may drop the second lance. No, the Arbiter. I am making my approach. Hello? I promise your death will be quick. enemy! One down! The sword is broken! Stop to this! They sent the Arbiter!
Danger! Run away!
Keep up the pressure!
No one can stop me!
I've been dropped! Not escape me! Break the cloud its grasp! Another kill for the Arbiter! Coming! Hold your ground. Abhorrent speech! We cannot hold. How long will you hide?
I got Peter! Run! Ow!
How many attacking? I see one. him, my brothers. I will defend the Oracle.
Its truth must not be silenced.
The heretics are mobilizing their air forces on us. Get after their leader, but watch your back. I'm sending one of our phantoms to support you.
Heretics have weapon emplacements all over the facility, Arbiter. We'll take them out one by one until we find the heretic leader. see, Arbiter? More heretics have gathered there.
Track the heretic leader to this part of the station. Clear that landing zone and get inside.